Speedography, Volume 2nd, Exercise 23, Speed 100 word per minute, start. Now you are promulgating ordinances, one in every 28 days. Then why are you not ready to issue an ordinance on black money? If your words are sincere, then why are they not cancelling the double taxation treaties? Recently, Indonesia cancelled the DTA with Mauritius. Why are you not ready for that? Sir, most of the FDI, about 40 to 42%, is coming from Mauritius. That is the Indian money coming through the Mauritius route. You have not taken any steps to control that. Then, sir, there is staff shortage in various agencies. As per the Finance Ministry's report, there is staff shortage. This is not a political issue. This problem of staff shortage is eroded through various agencies, which has been estimated to be 30,000. I would now quote the ADB report, not our left report. India has the most under-resourced and understaffed revenue bodies in proportion to the size of its population. Do you have any plans to fill up these vacancies? Para. I know come to disinvestment the temples of our modern India. You are expecting to raise rupees 70,000 crores from disinvestment. Sir, we are totally against that. Then I come to a very important point called cooperative federalism. Some points have already been made by our learned colleagues here, and I do not wish to go back to those points. Now, increasing the transfer of 42% of the divisible central tax to the states is a good step, but our demand was to make it up to 50%. Sir, on deeper examination, we find that the total share of union resources transferred to the states has been drastically decreased. It is true that the states' share of taxes and loans to the states have been increased, but the central assistance to states has been drastically decreased. Para. Then, sir, the state share in the total union resources as a percentage of the GDP has been decreased from 6% to 5% in this budget. This is a decrease in the state's share as a percentage of the GDP. Is this corporative federalism? You are trying to mislead the country by saying that they are implementing the financial discipline. It is a constitutional mandate, that is a